About a year ago, my car key fob on my 2014 Toyota Camry stopped working. So as I'm going from a store, I'm trying to click it, nothing happens. So I went back to the days of manually opening the car with my key. So I finally got tired of it. I ordered a battery off of Amazon, and if you have a key that looks anything like this, I will show you how to replace the battery on it. All you will need is just a little screwdriver, a butter knife, or some kind of pin that you'll be able to wedge in between your plastic casing here to open it up. So my key fob, and as far as I know, most Toyota Camrys will have this battery, which is a CR 2016 3-volt battery. And I'll put a link in the description of the one that I got on Amazon. So let's go ahead and open that up and show you how to put that in. Comes with a little sticker in the back. Take that off. And we are ready. So to open up the key, there's a little notch right there on one side of the key. Stick your little screwdriver or knife or whatever you have right in the corner and just pry it open like that. And then you just kind of have to work around it. And I usually like to flip it on this side so all the buttons don't fall out when you separate it. Take the cover off. Inside you will find this little piece right here. There's all the buttons, and like I was saying, they fall out if you have that upside down. If they fall out, it's no big deal. There's only one way they can go back in, so you can't really mess them up. So go ahead and put them back if they fall out. If not, just set it aside. Next you have this little square piece, and this one, once again, has notches all the way around. And these notches as well, you'll have to just use your screwdriver to pry apart. And these are more like clips. So you're going to have to get in between the two spots and kind of pry it open. Each one of them, maybe hold your finger on the spots that you already got so it stays open. So here I got it split apart. And once you take the cover off of this thing, here you have the actual battery. So using your same screwdriver or whatever it is that you're using, go ahead and just pop that battery out. And put the new one back in. It should snap back in. Once you got the new one snapped back in, just go in reverse order to put everything back together. Snap these two pieces back in. Align it with the inside of the key shell. Once again, there's only one way it goes in, so you can't really mess it up. Put the cover back on, and this too should snap in. You should hear a little snap. Once it's snapped in, you're ready to go. And voila, the key fob is back in business. I hope your replacement will go just as smooth as mine did. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to mash that like button on the way out, and we'll see you next time. And for those of you that watched this video all the way till the end and are still here, let me tell you a series of 3 lame jokes that always works very well on parties or family reunions or whatnot. So when everybody's gathered together, you throw out the number 1 joke. You ask everybody, hey, using only 3 actions, how can you put an elephant into a refrigerator? Give them some time to guess and then just simply give them the answer. Action number 1, open the fridge. 2, put the elephant in the fridge. And 3, close the fridge. They're going to be pretty disappointed, but that's okay. You tell them, all right, I got a better joke. This one's going to be harder. How do you put a giraffe into a fridge using 4 actions? And at this point, somebody might guess it, but give them some time again to guess around, and then you just tell them the answers once again. The 4 actions are, open the fridge, take the elephant out, put the giraffe in, close the fridge. And at this point, they're probably going to be pretty fed up with your jokes, so you can say, okay, I'm done, and you guys can all talk about something else. Now, here's the joke number 3. Later on, give it like a good hour, maybe 2 hours, so everybody kind of forgot the jokes that you mentioned, and then just ask them once again. Hey guys, so the king of all animals, the king of the jungle, the lion, he gathers together a big meeting, and he tells all the animals everybody has to be there. So everybody gathers up, but one animal is missing. Who did not show up? Now, if you gave it enough time so that everybody forgot about the previous two jokes, usually people will have wrong guesses like the sloth or the turtle, stuff like that. But just give them some time to guess and then tell them the answer. And the answer is the giraffe is not there because he's in the fridge. So give that joke a shot. I'm sure your audience will love it.